My world, your world, red words apart. Together we must make a brand new Okay, so on that one, I think it's quite important to be playing this F at the bottom that gives rhythm while your right hand's going for the run at the top here. So, do you see that left hand? One more. So running quickly into that second run, together we must build until we're strong. We'll be free. So straight away. So after you've done F, C, F, together we must build until we're strong. And then no pause there, like I just did. Then we'll be free. Gentle on that E minor, that E flat, so not too intense. Otherwise it can be a bit like, yeah, piercing. So then we'll be free. Soaring like the birds above. That should be fine there. Then we'll be free. Soaring like the birds above. So that part, getting to that F is a little bit tricky, just to focus on that. Then we'll be free, free. Straight into the F with the B flat. Soaring like the birds above. Gentle on those ones as well, but with enough strength to keep it sustained, but just gentle on them. England flight, England flight. Free, nice and strong on that one, because we're going for that last line. Free, free.